Hey, welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some pecan pie. Alright. We're going to add 4 eggs that we're going to beat. So they're well combined. You don't want to whip them. We don't want to put any air bubbles or anything in it. And to that, we're going to add a cup of corn syrup. Looks good. All right, a half a cup of sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of salted butter. All right. All right, and to that, to be 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together. Make sure everything's combined. All right, everything's combined well. Let's get our pecans. All right, I got my frozen pie crust here. All right, got me some chopped pecans. The recipe calls for 1 1/4 cups of pecans. I think I'm gonna do about that. About that much. Alright, so now I'm just going to pour my mixture over top of that. Just like that. Get my bowl in the sink to be washed. Get me a sheet pan, and we're going to stick this in a 350 degree oven. Got my sheet pan. I don't like how those pecans are not centered in the middle. So I'm going to move some stuff around. You do yours like you want to. I'm being a little picky right now. So with that said, stick this in the oven 45 minutes to 50 minutes, and then she should be done. Okay, it also looks a little poofy right now, but once it cools and it sets, it's gonna go down just a little bit and gonna be a beautiful pie. So all right, end results on that pecan pie. Looks awesome. It's set beautifully. Look here. I got a party going on I need to get back to. So with that said, subscribe, tell a friend about me, and leave me a comment. We'll see you on the next one.